Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Blisstech Solutions Tuesday Tech Tips, and today we're going to show you about a handy little tool called Snip and Sketch. So this lets you grab elements of the screen, save them to files, edit them, doodle on them. It's quite useful when you want to demonstrate to somebody something on your screen because it can be attached to email and sent. And it comes included with Windows, so fantastic. So let's get on with it. Okay, so got my screen here and I've just got something random up there, and let's imagine I want to take a section of the screen, a screenshot, and send it to somebody else. So to bring up the Snip and Sketch tool, what we do is we press the Shift key, the Windows key and the S key together, and you see here we get a nice little menu that appears for Snip and Sketch. So we have some options. You can do a rectangular snip where you drag over a rectangular area. You've got a freeform snip which allows you to draw a shape. We have a window snip that allows you to select a particular window to capture, and then we have a full screen snip that allows us to capture the whole screen. So as you'll see here, down here, I click the full screen snip and it's automatically captured both of my screens. But let me just show you a little bit more about what else we can do. So if we press the the Shift key, the Windows key and the S key again, we get our Snip and Sketch menu, and I'm going to do a freeform snip. So click that one, and that will allow us to draw on the screen the shape that we want to snip. Do that, and you'll notice down in the bottom left-hand corner, probably obscured by my face, so sorry about that, you get a snip saved to the clipboard. So that's automatically saved to the clipboard, so we could just right click and paste into our email, or Control V, which is the techie way of pasting. But if we click on it, we can edit this further, and we can annotate it, so we can do a little doodle on it. Let's change the color. So yeah, we can highlight areas of the screen that we want to draw out. Highlighter pens, rubbers, rulers, and all sorts of things we can add on here, and then ultimately we can save it. We can save it if I find the right button. So we have the save button up here, and that will allow us to save it as a file which we can keep on our computer or attach to an email. And that's all there is to it. That's the Snip and Sketch tool, a really handy tool built into Windows that will allow you to take captures of your screen, and it's absolutely free. So I hope you found this tip useful, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.